Transforming wood scraps into a modern coffee table is a remarkable avenue for creativity and sustainability, allowing artisans to breathe new life into materials that might otherwise go to waste. This project not only focuses on the practical aspects of woodworking but also emphasizes the aesthetic appeal and personal connection that can be forged through the act of creation. By repurposing wood scraps, craftsmen can create a stunning centerpiece for any living space, showcasing their skills while making a positive environmental impact. At the heart of this endeavor is the concept of upcycling, which involves taking discarded or leftover materials and transforming them into something functional and beautiful. Wood scraps, often viewed as mere byproducts of larger projects, hold immense potential for innovative designs. The unique characteristics of each piece of wood, a diverse range of grains, colors, and textures, can be harnessed to create a visually striking coffee table. This process fosters a sense of resourcefulness, encouraging artisans to see beauty in imperfections and possibilities where others may see only waste. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern coffee table project ideas from wood scraps. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The journey begins with gathering wood scraps, which can come from various sources. Whether sourced from previous woodworking projects, old furniture, or even construction sites, the selection of materials is crucial. Each piece of wood has its own story, and incorporating these remnants into a new project adds a layer of narrative and history. As artisans sift through their collection, they're not just looking for usable materials, they're seeking inspiration. The unique features of each scrap can guide the design process, influencing the shape, size, and overall aesthetic of the coffee table. Once the wood scraps are gathered, the design phase commences. This is where creativity flourishes and the vision for the coffee table starts to take shape. The beauty of working with scraps is the freedom to experiment with unconventional forms and configurations. Artisans can choose to create a geometric design, a more organic shape, or even a combination of both. The juxtaposition of different wood types can add depth and interest, allowing for a striking contrast in colors and textures. This stage is not just about functionality. It's about expressing a personal style and crafting a piece that resonates on an emotional level. As the design evolves, the actual construction of the coffee table becomes an exciting and fulfilling process. This phase allows artisans to engage in the tactile experience of woodworking, measuring, cutting, and assembling the pieces. Each step is imbued with intention and care as the maker shapes the scraps into something new. The sound of the saw, the feel of the wood, and the satisfaction of watching the table come together create a sensory journey that is both meditative and invigorating. In constructing the table, artisans often embrace the natural imperfections of the wood. Knots, grain variations, and irregular edges add character and authenticity to the piece. Rather than viewing these features as flaws, they are celebrated as part of the table's unique identity. This approach not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also embodies the philosophy of sustainability, showing that beauty can be found in the unconventional and the discarded. Each piece of wood tells its own story, and by incorporating these elements, the finished coffee table becomes a narrative of transformation. The finishing touches applied to the table greatly influence its overall look and feel. Choosing the right stain or finish can accentuate the wood's natural beauty, highlighting its grain and texture. A clear varnish can provide a sleek, modern appearance, while a deeper stain can evoke warmth and richness. Artisans often experiment with different finishes to achieve the desired effect, transforming the table into a stunning focal point. This final stage of the process is an opportunity for personal expression, allowing the creator to imbue the piece with their individual style. Once completed, the modern coffee table serves as a testament to creativity and craftsmanship. It is more than just a functional item. It becomes a centerpiece that invites conversation and admiration. The table's unique design and the story behind its creation can spark discussions about sustainability, creativity, and the value of handmade objects. Friends and family who gather around this table are not just sharing a space, they are engaging with a piece of art that carries a history and a message. This project also highlights the emotional connection that can be forged through the act of creation. For many artisans, woodworking is a therapeutic practice that allows for self-expression and mindfulness. The process of transforming wood scraps into a beautiful coffee table fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride. Each time the artisan or a guest interacts with the table, whether sipping coffee, sharing stories, or simply admiring its beauty, they are reminded of the journey it took to come into being. This connection to the work adds layers of meaning and significance to the piece. Furthermore, creating a coffee table from wood scraps serves to inspire others. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability and mindful consumption, this project exemplifies how creativity can turn waste into something valuable. Sharing the process, whether through social media, workshops, or community events, encourages others to explore their own creativity and see the potential in discarded materials. By showcasing the beauty of upcycled art, artisans can inspire a movement toward more sustainable practices in both art and everyday life. The impact of this modern coffee table project extends beyond the individual artisan. It contributes to a broader conversation about sustainability, creativity, and the importance of valuing resources. As more people become aware of the environmental implications of waste, projects like these serve as a reminder that we can all play a role in reducing our carbon footprint through creative endeavors. By choosing to upcycle and transform wood scraps into beautiful art, artisans promote a culture of mindfulness and respect for the materials we use. In giving wood scraps new life through a modern coffee table project is a remarkable avenue for creativity, sustainability, and personal expression. This process not only transforms discarded materials into functional art but also fosters a deeper connection between the maker and their work. The journey from scraps to a stunning centerpiece is one of innovation, resourcefulness, and beauty, reminding us that art can emerge from even the most humble beginnings. As this project inspires others to explore their own creativity and embrace sustainability, it underscores the power of art to transform our lives and environments, one piece at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern coffee table project ideas from wood scraps. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.